hello, and welcome back to Chucks and Chapstick, where I open boxes of stuff that somebody else has put together because they think that they can style me. And surprise, surprise, we figure out if they did a good job or not. If you saw my very first video that I ever posted, it was about diaandco. And if you saw that video, you saw that I was hot mad about what it is that they sent to me. If getting my style was home base, they actually were in the parking lot of the opponent's home team. Like, they were way off. And so I did everything that I could in the way of constructive criticism, aka pissing and moaning and griping and complaining. But no, I'm being silly. I actually provided lots of constructive criticism. I updated my profile. I, really tried to be very descriptive about what it is I wanted and why I was unhappy with what it is that they sent me. So I am giving Dia another chance. She's back. So hopefully we do a little better this time. If you don't know about diaandco, they are a subscription styling box service. You go onto the website, you answer questions about what you like, what you don't like, your sizing, your price points, just all kind of things that kind of give them a clue about what kind of style you like. They also have a catalog of items, so you can go through and pick things. They'll try to send those things to you, but if they can't, they try to at least get a gauge of your style by what it is that you pick out. There's a $20 styling fee. That styling fee applies to anything that you purchase. If you purchase 1 through 4 items, then that styling fee applies to those items. However, if you purchase all 5 items in the box, not only is your styling fee applied, but you also get a 25% discount for purchasing everything in the box. If you don't purchase anything, then you just basically gave them your $20 as a thank you for taking their time to style you, send you something in the mail for you not to like it and send it back. That's what it boils down to. So, before I go any further, I got notification that one of you out there named Evie, or Evie maybe, but E-V-I-E, used my referral link, and you got a discount, and I got a credit. So, thank you! That was so kind of you. I was so surprised. That was so kind of you. So if you watch this video below, please comment. Let me know if you liked what you got. Like, seriously, I want to know what your experience is. This isn't just about me. I want to hear what you guys get as well. But thank you so much. That was really sweet and kind of you. You could have used anybody's referral link, but you used mine. So I just thank you. So again, if you're watching this, please let me know if you liked your box below. Anyway, we're going to go ahead and get started, and let's go ahead and bust her open. Okay, so let's go ahead and get it open. So, here's our box. First thing that always comes on top is information that includes the prices of each item, as well as a note from your stylist. I like to use or leave the prices until the very end, so that way I don't, have anything weighing on the back of my mind like, oh, this is cheap, or oh, this is too pricey, I probably won't like this. I like to just have an opinion and then check out the price and either be surprised or like, oh snap. Either way. So, they always include a prepaid shipping label. So whatever items it is that you don't want, you can send back free of charge. And then of course they have the goodies, the good stuff. So let's go ahead and rip into it. They call this the burrito, so I'm going to take a bite out of it. First thing we have here, oh, this is a cute little sweater, black sweater. This is a cute little black sweater, long sleeve. Looks like it has some openings and this is kind of cute. This looks like an embellished little cold shoulder something or other. We'll see. Oh, it has a little see-through hem on it too. It has a little see-through hem. Well, we'll try it on and see. Not really getting the feels from that one, but we'll try it on and see. It's a little green polka dot, like a Fit&Flare dress. That's actually really cute. I like it. And green is actually one of my favorite colors. It's actually my absolute favorite color. So I'm actually pretty excited about this, and I like polka dots. So hopefully it fits. And then we have this bag. It's just a basic bag, but it's cute. I definitely thought I told them not to send me any more jeans, but here we are with jeans. Have some distressing. And so we'll see. So 5 items. Let's see how it all works out. All right, so this is the cold shoulder top. I paired it. Okay, first of all, I do not like cold shoulders. Never have, never will. I actually don't hate it as much on as I did in the box, but I don't know. It's just not my jam. If it's your jam, it's your jam, and you probably rock the mess out of it, but it's just not my jam. So I didn't really know how to style it, but since it had these kind of different color rhinestones on it, because there's both gold and silver, I figured I'd try to bring out the silver or the gold in it. So I put on a gold belt and a gold skirt. By the way, these skirts are by ModCloth. They go up to like a size 28. These are some of my favorite skirts ever, and they have them every year. It's a staple, and they come in like 12 different colors, and I love them. I love, love, love them. Anyway, back to diaandco. So this this shirt, it's okay. All right, so these are the Molly and Isadora jeans with the distressing, and this top is by Rebel Wilson. Now, has those little cutouts or whatever in them, but you can also see a whole bunch of Osceola's boobies. So, here's the problem, and this is not diaandco's fault at all, but strangely enough, I guess maybe because I have a short torso, my breast formation starts a little high. Don't get it twisted. They're not perky. It's just that they start high. So I've noticed that when it comes to like V-neck tops or tops that kind of droop low, that are really supposed to be a little sassier, they end up looking a little more revealing on me. I could literally not lean down and help my coworker without this being what they see. Hopefully I don't get demonetized or whatever it's called for that, because I didn't show any nip, just a lot of, you know, cleavage. And there's a time and a place for it, but a lot of stuff I like to have to go between whether I'm at work or whether I'm just doing something out and about, and I would absolutely never wear this to work. Even though I like the top for me, and I actually owned a top like this from Torrid, and so that's how I knew when I pulled this out it was going to be a problem. But I like the top a lot, but it just not out. And I'm not even bending all the way over. I'm literally just leaning forward like that, and that's what you get. So not out. The jeans I like a lot. They feel really good, but they're just jeans. They're just distressed jeans. I have like 5 pairs of distressed jeans. I don't need any more. Please stop sending them to me. But they fit really well. They feel really good. I would encourage you, if you do a diaandco box and you want to do jeans, I would encourage you to get Molly and Isadora jeans. They're actually really good jeans. I just don't need any more. That's all. But other than that, I don't have a complaint about them. So, Rebel Wilson sweater, Molly and Isadora jeans. This is the green polka dot dress. I'm going to come up a little bit. It's a really like an emerald forest type green. But this is the dress. It's sleeveless. It's got a fit and flare. It kind of drops at the waist and then has some kind of pleating at the top. I like this dress. There's between fit, quality, feel, all of that, I don't have a single complaint. Also, just as a note, this is a moto jacket. When I say I want a statement piece, this is what I want. Bright white detailing. It ain't basic. I don't want basic. I want something that says something. It's not a basic black moto jacket with basic black zippers. This says something, and this is what I was asking for. By the way, I got this from Eloquii, and I think they still have them. If you want to go get them, check it out. And I think they're on sale. But anyway, back to diaandco. I really like this dress. This is a keeper. I knew it out the box. Confirmed putting it on. I like it. So I actually, in all my doing too much, I forgot to show you guys the clutch. Or it's actually a crossbody that doubles as a clutch as well. So it's got this really cool, it's not a bright silver. It's almost like a cross between silver and pewter. And then it has some gold detailing too. So, you know, it's got a adjustable strap. This thing can adjust as short or long as you need it. You can wear it on the side, or you can wear it crossbody, or you can actually take these off and wear it, you know, just carry it as a clutch. So gold, silver, kind of a pewtery. You can wear it either way. I think it's really cute. All right, so now that we have looked at everything in our diaandco box, I'll just do a little wrap up here. Overall, I think the Dia did an excellent job, especially in comparison to my first diaandco box. There wasn't a single thing in that box that I was like, I hate this. The only thing that was an issue was the sweater, and it's not their fault that my breast meat starts higher than most people's breast meat does. So I don't fault them at all for that. The sweater is actually really cute. The thing that I've noticed though, here's the thing about these styling boxes. I've noticed that no matter what you say your style is, you can say I'm chic, you can say I'm glam, you can say I'm classic, you can say I'm business professional, you can say I'm trendy. We all seem to keep getting the same cycle of stuff. Stripes, 16 ways. Like, so I don't quite get it. If they say that they appeal to so many different types of styles, why, no matter what you say your style is, we all keep getting the same things? Like, I don't get it. And then again, I asked if they didn't send jeans. I got jeans. I specifically said no cold shoulder. I got cold shoulder. And in addition to that, like, I consider myself to be kind of more casual, leaning towards the trendy end. And it's almost like they try to make the piece fit. So they'll send a black top with a rhinestone on the shoulder and say, ooh, look at this black trendy top. And then send it to somebody else with a black top and a rhinestone on the shoulder and say, look at this glam black top with a rhinestone on the shoulder. It's like they're trying to jam it in there. And so I've noticed that with Stitch Fix, diaandco. The only ones that I really thought outside of the box was Trunk Club. And, you know, you're paying for a special price point for that. But I don't know. I'm just kind of, you know, I'm a few boxes in on most of these, and I feel like that I'm really getting the same thing over and over again from just different companies. And they all seem really basic. Like, I have plenty of basics. I need wow pieces, and I'm just not getting that. So I'm a little disappointed. I feel like that these boxes are really good for people who either can't shop or don't like to shop. I don't really like to shop, but I know how to shop outside of the basic 20 things that any place has in front of you. Like, I know lots of retailers, some online, some in stores, some specialty boutiques, some high-end, some super low-end. I know how to shop, so this might just not be for me. So we're going to keep doing the boxes in the meantime, but, you know, I'm getting a little disheartened here. Thanks again for joining Chucks and Chapstick. It's been a really nice time. I appreciate you guys coming back. If you haven't already, like and subscribe. Go watch my other videos. And, you know, thanks for dropping in. If you have any comments, suggestions, or you just want to say hello, do it below. See you next time.